Okay, so if we react an alkene with hydrogen gas in the presence of a catalyst such as platinum or nickel and heat, then we can get an alkane. Alkanes are the most basic hydrocarbon. They are saturated, which means that they have as many hydrogens as possible. Um, so as many hydrogens per carbon as possible. And that's possible because they only have single bonds, whereas alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated. Okay, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So if C was 4, we would have 8 hydrogens. Um, the general condensed formula is RCH3CH2R dash, where R and R are actually just different alkyl groups. As the carbon chain gets longer, the van der Waals forces, or the forces between the molecules, increases. So we get an increase in the melting point and boiling point. Alkanes are insoluble in polar substances because they are non-polar. They do not conduct electricity. They've got no free charged particles that are free to move. They're colorless compounds, and they have lower density than water, so they float on top of water. Smaller ones are actually gases, and then turning the larger ones that become liquids or waxy solids. We can also have cycloalkanes, which have a ring structure. These have the general formula CnH2n, and their names cyclo something and cyclohexane, cyclopentane, cyclobutane, and so on. Their reactions, we can react with oxygen, which is combustion. So common reactions, this is methane gas reacting with oxygen, which is carbon dioxide and water. If we have incomplete combustion, then we can get also carbon and carbon monoxide. So this is the reaction with to reduce carbon, and this is the reaction to reduce carbon monoxide. Okay, we can react an alkane with bromine water. We can produce a substitution reaction to produce a bromoalkane. So in this case, bromoethane and hydrogen bromide. Then, as I say here, substitution will carry on because there's still hydrogen atoms to be substituted until all of them have actually been replaced. And this reaction for an alkane requires the presence of UV light as a catalyst, and it happens slowly, not instantaneously like it does with an alkene. Okay, alkanes, they're pretty basic. That's all there is to it, really. So on the side page, you've got pages 120 to 124.